My name's Angela Howell. I am lucky enough to be the General Manager of OCHO, which is a chocolate factory, a bean-to-bar craft chocolate factory in Dunedin. Basically, OCHO came to exist when Cadbury pulled out of Dunedin, and a group of citizens were concerned that we were going to be losing chocolate manufacturing when we had a 150-year history of this. OCHO was crowdfunded and is now proudly owned by 3,729 ordinary New Zealanders. We have ridden out COVID, which has been an extraordinarily difficult challenge for us. We've had a 2.5-year hiatus where we've had to just really bed in and cling on for dear life. So really we're now in a point of consolidation and growth. So the nature of craft chocolate is that we do not add anything to the chocolate other than cocoa and a sweetener, mostly sugar, whereas the chocolate that you've eaten your whole life is full of other additives that enables it to be run through large machines. Craft chocolate, by its very nature, you cannot hi-fi it. Yeah, it has to be done by hand. Xero is pivotal to our business. I think it was the beginning of the financial year we started managing inventory in Xero, and we also, at the beginning of the calendar year in January, we started using Upstock for wholesale orders. So prior to that we were receiving wholesale orders via email. Now we have an app which I highly recommend called Upstock, which fully integrates with Xero. The customer just goes on and it will copy last order, or you can just add a drop-down box and there's no misunderstanding about what they mean. If it's out of stock, they can't order it. Again, that was one of the things that used to happen, is people would order things that are out of stock. Our website is built on Shopify, so that works very well. Now, Klaviyo, our mail client, integrates with Shopify really well, so once people have signed up, we can have a series of emails kind of touching them, again, just encouraging them to buy and getting feedback. And then we also use HubSpot for our CRM currently, and that also gets a direct feed through from Shopify, so that everyone that emails through the website or buys something on the website or engages with the website in a way that's more than just browsing actually gets fed into our CRM, and we can create email campaigns. So all of these things integrate together. So integration is key because we don't have the money to buy a full suite of systems. So any system that integrates with others like Shopify and Klaviyo is really vital. We basically use social media to drive people to the website, but we also use social media to support our resellers. So just social media is really about raising awareness of craft bean-to-bar chocolate and slavery-free chocolate, ethical chocolate, chocolate with compostable packaging, just trying to raise the consumer's awareness of the fact that there is an alternative.